Under the authority of a search warrant, the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI raided a condominium unit in Pasay City. This was following a request for help from a Filipino-Chinese individual who claimed his Chinese friend was being detained inside the condo unit. Upon arrival at the 9th floor, the NBI immediately headed to the target unit. They knocked multiple times, but when no one opened the door, they forced their way inside. Upon entering, the NBI agents were shocked with what they saw. Instead of just rescuing a single Chinese national, they were met with a room filled with computers, countless cell phones, and laptops being used for various scamming activities. The small condo unit turned out to be a POGO or scam hub.
Nagulat din kami dun sa isang computer, parang may dinedirect pa siya ng mga ibang mga computers na wala doon sa area na yun. Kaya kumbaga parang central hub yung nakuha na huli ng tropa.
The NBI successfully rescued the Chinese national they initially came for. It was later discovered that the foreigner had a large debt to his employer who detained him inside the condo and forced him to work as a scammer.
Ang problema, paano niya babayaran yon? Kada nag-a-assist siya dun sa scam hub, hindi naman siya binabayaran. Paano niya mababayaran yung utang niya?
In addition to the rescued individual, 3 other Chinese nationals working in the home-based POGO hub were arrested by the NBI. Meanwhile, the victim's employer, identified as Mr. Kai, is still being located.
POGO na lang kung tawagin yan, pero hindi naman nagpapagaming. POGO ang tawag natin dahil yun na naging Pero hindi na offshore gaming ang nakikita ko Offshore scamming, dapat poso.
The NBI believes that this could be a new strategy of POGOs or scam hub operations in the country. While they used to hide in whole buildings, now they've gone home base. The foreign victims is now under the care of relatives in the Philippines. Meanwhile, the 3 arrested Chinese nationals and their still at-large employer will face charges for violation of Republic Act 12010 or Anti-Financial Accounts Scamming Act and slight illegal detention. From PTV Manila, Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.